Hello everyone, I am Nityavati. Welcome to Love Max. In this chapter, we are going to see 8th standard mensuration unit exercise 9.2. See this question, the shape of the top surface of a table of the trapezium. One table, it is top surface is looking like a trapezium. Find its area. If you are going to find this area, what they are given, if the parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter, which two parallel sides, this top and bottom, one is a 1 meter, another one is 1.2 meter, and the perpendicular distance between them is 0.8. You are going to find out the area of this trapezium. We are knowing the formula, area of trapezium is of into a plus b into h. That is the meaning. Of into a plus b means sum of parallel sides measurements into h, height. Okay, so now we are going to substitute the value of 1 by 2 into a plus b. So which are the parallel sides? 1 meter and 1.2 meter. So 1 plus 1.2 into h is height. So what is height? Otherwise distance between them, that is the height only. So distance between them is how much? 0.8. Okay, the h we denoted as height. The height meaning is distance between two parallel lines. Now 1 2 is 2. This is 0.42 are 8. 1 plus 1.2 is 2.2 into 0.4. So that is 0.88. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. After the decimal, 2 digit is there. 1, 2, here also 1, 2. So 0.88, it is a area. So meter square. So area, find the area. This is the top area. So area of trapezium is equal to 0.88 meter square. Next, go with the next sum. This is the second one. The area of a trapezium. This question, area is given. Okay, length of the one of the parallel sides. Totally two parallel sides, A and B. One is given, height is given. You have to find then the another one. That means what and all given? A and B are parallel sides. Okay, parallel sides of a trapezium. One of the parallel sides is given means, so I should take A is 10 centimeter. B only we are going to find out. Unknown value. Height means h is 4 centimeter and the area of a trapezium is given. Right. Area of a trapezium is equal to 34 centimeter square. Write area of a trapezium formula. What is the formula? Of into sum of parallel sides into height. That means distance between the parallel line. This is area of trapezium. It is equal to 34. Now of into A plus B. A and B are parallel sides. A only I know. B I don't know. Keep as usual. Into height is how much? 4. That is equal to 34. Okay, now can we cancel anything? Yes. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. So 10 plus B. Here 34. Here this 2 is multiplication. So opposite side of equal, it will be division. So 10 plus B is equal to 1 2 is 2. 1 2 is 2, remaining 1. 7 2s are. So 17. I need only B. B is the another parallel side. B. 17 plus 10 come this side, minus 10. So B is equal to 17 minus 10 is 7 centimeter. So that is another one parallel length of the other parallel side is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, next question we are going to see. Length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field is ABCD. This is the trapezium shape. This fence, I want to fencing means I want to cover. Okay, so that is the perimeter. Fencing means we always calculate the perimeter 120 meter. Then each and every side is given. BC is BC how much meter? 48 meter. CD 17 meter and the AD also 40 meter. Find the area of its field. Find the area of its field. Okay, this shape is, they are given clearly, it is a trapezium. I want to find out this area means I need sum of parallel sides. Now AD and BC are parallel, so I get parallel side. I need the distance between them, that means the height. Height is not given, but this is perpendicular line, so this is we taken as a height. AB is a height, these two are the parallel sides. So how I should find out this height means they are given this perimeter, trapezium perimeter. Okay, so perimeter of a trapezium, how much given? 120 meter. Perimeter means what? Sum of all side measurement. Here what are the side is there? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. All the four together is 120. AB I don't know. Keep as usual. BC is how much? 48. CD is how much? 17. This is 40 equal to 128. Now keep AB only as usual. Remaining 48 plus 17 is how much? Then 40. 48 plus 40 is 88. 88 plus 17 is 105. So we are going to find out AB is a unknown value. AB plus all the three together is 105. That is equal to, that side what is there? 120. I need only AB is equal to 120 plus 105 come this side minus 105. So AB, length of AB is equal to 15. Length of AB is equal to 15. Here all the measurements are in centimeter, so that also we consider taken as meter. AB only height. AB is a height of a trapezium, that is 15 meter. Now we know the formula. What is the formula? Area of a trapezium is equal to half into A plus B into H. Of A plus B means sum of parallel sides. See this diagram clearly. You can find out which is the parallel side. AD and BC are parallel. That is 40 plus 48. That is 40 plus 48. So that is equal to 40 plus 48 into height is how much? 15. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 40 plus 48 is 88 into 15. That is equal to 1 2 is 2. 44. So 44 into 15. This answer 44 into 15 is 660 meter squared. This is area of a field. The field is in the form of trapezium. So you can write area of a field. Is it clear? Next we are going with another one sum. The diagonal of a quadrilateral. Here quadrilateral is given. Quadrilateral is not exact separate formula. Quadrilateral is special condition is there, square, rectangle, then parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium, like that. Okay, in this shape they given that 24 meter perpendicular, that is the base. The perpendicular dropped on the form, remaining opposite vertices are 8 meter and 13 meter. One is a 8, one is a 13 meter. How can I find out this field area? Means there is no separate formula for quadrilateral, but this is through this diagonal I can divide it is two parts. This is one triangle, this is one triangle. Okay, so the triangle formula is half into base into height. Base is 24, this side height is 13, this side height is 8. So you can take a name, give the name A, B, C, D. Okay, so area of a quadrilateral field ABCD is equal to So this together area is required means area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. Is it clear? Now we are going to add. I know the formula. Area of triangle formula half into base into height. This also half into base into height. Okay. So here 2 base 2 height is there. So take B1 H1 B2 H2. Half into base is common. Here also 24. This triangle also 24. This triangle also 24. 24 into H1 take as 13. This is one pair. Plus half into 24 into this side 8. 1 2 is to 12 2s are 24. 1 2 is to 12 2s are 24. So what is remaining? 12 into 13 plus 12 into 8. This is the remaining. Is it clear? 12 into 13 is 156 plus 12 8s are 96. Now add both. Okay. So 156 plus 96 is, you are going to add this 252. This is meter or centimeter, meter. So area means meter square. So this is equal to area of a quadrilateral field ABCD. Okay. Is it clear?